Welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about opacity once again. In our previous tutorial, we discussed how to add opacity to an image. So now, mind you, it is not only an image you can add opacity to. You can add opacity to any element you want. So, for example, let me teach you how to add opacity to a div. For example, let me say a div. So let me say div. Okay, let me say the tech guy. So let me say the tech guy. So now let's go to our CSS file to modify our code. So this is from our previous tutorial. So let me get rid of it. Let me say div opacity. So let me first define the height and the width of our div, so that at the same time I'll be giving it a background color. So let me say the width. Let me make it to be 200 pixels. The height, let me make it to be, let me say 200 pixels. You can see it is not yet visible, but and let me say background color, let me make it green so that we'll be able to see it better. Green. Now as you can see, this is our div. So let me change the color of the text to white so that it will be more visible. That guy, now you see it is now white. So now let me add opacity to it. Opacity, let me make it 0.4. Let's see. Now you see it is now somehow whitish in color. So let me reduce it to 1. Let's see. Now you see what we have. So let me increase it a little bit to 6. Now you see what we have. So to 9. Let's see. As I have said earlier on, our opacity value is from 0.1 to 1. 1 is the highest value and 0.1 is the lowest value. So this is how you can apply opacity to an element in CSS. So you can apply this to all other elements too in CSS. You can apply it to your text, you can apply it to whatsoever you want to apply it to. So thank you for today's tutorial.